Hello guys, so in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing or not working easily and fast. Or what you wanna do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Go back, click on the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it now, or what you want to do here is click on this force stop. After click on it, now click back. Open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and then update it. After you update it, you will get the Messenger update option. If you didn't get it yet, this means that this option is not available on your country, so you have to be patient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.